isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels.
Para sa'yo talaga yung bote ng baby angel. Total, pabebe ka naman. Joke! Okay lang, Hana. Masaya naman ako dito. Pwede ko naman bigay sa mga nangingailangan na walang bote ng baby.